should be able to see it now. See?
Oh, it's S.
Yeah.
This is Saskatchewan reference.
Yeah.
Oh, Sun Country.
Ooh. Yeah, Sun Country. Oh, I can handle that. Sun Country. Ooh. There's an airplane that just took off, too. Remember there's a plane parked there?
Yeah, remember the snowbirds used to park there. Oh, yeah, the DC-3.
Yeah. I should have had a peach, and then I could have got another peach stone there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's
That's
still
wafer,
there.
right?
It's, pardon me? Wafer, yeah. It's still there, though.
FedEx. I wonder what they're building right there.
I don't know.
There's a big thing going in over here. Look.
Oh, yeah, I see it. I have no idea.
I think I used to work there.
Yeah. Eerie. That's really eerie. Remember Melissa worked along here?
Back there, right across from the Tim Hortons.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
That was her first job as an animator.
Yeah.
Now she's got